Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and as I am working on the exposing them scammers list, I got like a big list of many people that I can be adding and also doing. But I thought, you know what? Let's be a little bit focused with the Martin people, with those that you are offering help, and that they then just steal from you. We're going to be talking about another big name in the crypto space, guys. As many of you know, Cryptomhie from the Philippines. For those that don't know her yet, let me show her. As you can see, Cryptomhie. As you can see here, her face, and you can see it a little bit better here. Well, you can see it better here. It is, of course, Ami Articuna, Cryptomhie Fadriga Estiaga. You can see her on many things, and also you can know that she really is a shitty person, guys. She came to me like, oh my God, I am sick. My grandma is sick. I don't know who is sick. Please, sir, please. I know that you are a good person. Can you please help me with this and this? I promise I pay you back very soon, sir. I promise. And you know what? And I say, okay, I'm going to try. You are a big name, a big marketeer. I'm going to loan you a little bit. I bet you're going to be giving it back. But months and months later, and she said, look, I have helped you when you needed it. I gave you months to pay back. Guess I have to make a video about you as well. I said, yes, I understand. This small amount I can give back. And this is the shitty thing, guys. She stole from me an amount that this is nothing. I can have it there. I can send it back. But she knew I was helping her with my last money. I was telling her, I don't have any funds, but I will help you to make sure that you can have a roof over your head because she needed to have a place to stay. Then I'm going to be helping. I'm going to get my money back Saturday. I'm going to be getting my money back the next week. And now almost a year has passed. And I'm telling her, and she said, you are a scammer. You are a liar. You are a thief. She's calling me a scammer and a liar. I accept a lot. I can even accept that I loan money to people and that they don't pay it back. But I have my integrity. Cryptomhie, you are human filth. You have asked me if I could help you with getting a roof over your head because you had no place to stay. I help you, and then you scam me. The same person that you see is getting fights with all the scammers that have stolen your money. So, guys, let's give it up for Cryptomhie. She is one of the lowest scammers. She is one of those scammers that is asking you, please, my grandma's sick, please, I am sick. Oh, and so many excuses. And that is like the most terrible scammer. Because, let's be honest, those that are, oh, I'm blocked now. As I know that I was going to be getting blocked, so I made sure that we were opening those files before. So you can see I cannot check anything now, but Cryptomhie, just so you know, Cryptomhie, Fadriga, Estiaga, you're going to be on my staking channel. And congratulations also on my YouTube. You are going to be there together with your great friend, Martin. Cryptomhie said, this is not fair. Why are you targeting me? Martin stole much more money. Nobody target him. I said, nobody target Martin. Ik zeg, have you not seen this? Act like a scammer, feel like one. This, and of course, Martin in the DM with, I'm going to be making a video documentary about you, and I'm going to be exposing your ass. Scammer bear. So, guys, this was a small video. And of course, I had to make sure that Cryptomhie is also showing. And I want to thank to my Philippines friends. As I was posting around the Facebook, I said, guys, can you share this to Cryptomhie? As that crazy scammer is now done for. I told her 3 or 4 times, you can make this right with me. Send me back the money that you say is a shitty amount. So I don't have it in the moment. For me, it's not a shitty amount. I said, I want to refund my people. I will directly send it to my people. And I did not get my money back, but I was called a scammer. And this is why oh, you're gonna have this. You're gonna love this one. In all her years online from 2010 till now, she has never met somebody with the same attitude and mentality as me. I said, really? You have scammed so many people, and I'm the first one that says, no, 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 Cryptomhie, I will take you down. So, guys, BTC Pet, fighting as always.